Whenever a volcano erupts, it always poses layers of risks which potentially will endanger lives. Just very recently, Taal Volcano in Batangas, Philippines, had a minor phreatomagmatic eruption was recorded on December 26, 2025, lasting 2 minutes. Similar minor activity was also reported in July 2025. As of late December 2025, Taal Volcano in the Philippines has experienced continued, low-level activity, including minor phreatomagmatic eruptions, such as a time-lapse footage recorded on December 26, 2025. While it is listed as having active, ongoing or recent activity, as of late December 2025, it is generally maintained at alert level 1, indicating low-level unrest. Let's watch closely.